Babu again, and welcome this nice Saturday morning. And it's a little bit sunny, so let me introduce to another book called Internet World Wide Web and How to Program It by Deitel and Deitel. If you know this author and if you have been following this author, he has written a wonderful book for C++. And when I was on my 8th grade, I started reading Deitel and Deitel using uh, I started reading C++ using Deitel and Deitel. My master appreciated me and gave me a lot of books to work on programmings. And today let's talk about this book. This one is a very heavy book, and it looks like nearly about looks nearly like a pillow. And of course, don't sleep with it because it has got a lot of things, a lot of stuffs inside, and it's definitely a worthwhile book. And you have got a lot of internals inside. I'll never go deep into those internals. I'll say how it's splitted, how this book is splitted. See, it's splitted as part one, which is introductory part, and then um, part two, which is the Ajax client side. And you have got a lot of client side application development programming languages. And then you have got part three, which is the servers, which is the client side application technologies. Part three, client side application technologies like Adobe Flash and Adobe Flex, rich internet applications, and Microsoft Silverlight applications, how to develop those things. And then part 4, which is the server side. So what all you use on the server side, like web servers and database, MySQL, SQL, and ADO.NET and Java DB. And here comes the PHP, the one that I've discussed you yesterday. You have a small part of this in this book also. And this one, Ruby on Rails, this one is important because those who study such Selenium, they have got it has got the tool has got an many programming language. One such programming language is Selenium with Ruby. There you got a framework called Selenium with Ruby on Rails. Okay, so this part is important for testers. So I have gone through this part. This part is very useful, very much needed for testers. And other things like Ajax, you don't have to refresh all the times. You just have to click on the button, it refreshes all by itself by using a small function. So Ajax is also here. And then you have got Java server faces web applications. And then Ajax enables Java server and web services like APIs, different types of APIs and all. So this book is a very useful book for reference. You can refer it anytime you want. And it is in the syllabus of MCA. Those who are studying MCA syllabus, pursuing MCA graduation, it's in the second year in their syllabus. And a girl gave me this book and asked me to have it myself because I helped her in writing programs. So he gave me this book instead of money. So I thought like, okay, book will be more useful than money, and I got this book. And it helps me a lot. It has got, see, the cover page itself looks like New York State. You have got a large tall buildings with Ajax, XML, and then CSS, and then data object model, user generated content, and then Java server, Flex. And then the cover page design itself is very nice. The author is a great author. It's Deitel and Deitel. They are co-brothers. They are co-brothers. They have programmed. They have written a very good book. It also comes in the CD form. The C++ book also comes in the CD form. I have given it to a seventh grade student. He was residing besides my rented home, so I gave it to him to study. And whenever I gave a book to somebody, or whenever I owe my, whenever I promise giving a book to somebody, in return, in a few days, I get back in return as the same book, not the same book as a book. Some other books comes as in return. So I just keep the habit of giving books to somebody who are in need. So because I got the education with much great difficulty, so I give books to somebody who are in need. So some way or the other, it comes to me back. So this book came to me in that way. I helped her in programming with PHP, and she gave me this book and asked her to have it because she never gave me money, but she gave this book. This book is really a nice book, and I wanted everybody to have it as a reference. And see, it's from the publication called Pearson. Pearson always goes for a nice book publication. You also have Pearson certifications. You can do studies Pearson books and do certifications and get online. It's still now it's there. Still now it's the market. It is there. Pearson Learning, and then it's in internationally published one. Then this book it was printed in United States. The copyright is from Darling and Kindersley. Okay, so it was from India. It's an US adaptation to India. It's by copyright of Darling and Kindersley India Private Limited. So solely in states like in countries like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and India, and adapted form is sold in those countries. So, but the original part comes from United States. So this is the book I want to tell you today. So a very nice book, both client side and server side. You can design a whole web page with a lot of programming languages included. So this one is a very nice book. I can recommend it. So very heavy one. Don't sleep with it. Just if you're well worth, and if you're rich enough, go for buying it, and or just go and search it on the internet if you can download it, and then have it by your side for your reference. And this is the one I'm referring for today. And I have some more books. I'll post it in the next videos. And that's all for Saturday. Have a nice day, and we'll catch up on the next video. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye. Have a nice day.